Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome back to DataTech Insights, your friendly guide to the mesmerizing world of artificial intelligence. Today, we have got something truly special lined up for you. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey as we unveil 7 captivating books that will expand your AI horizons. So, grab a comfy chair, your favorite snake, and let's dive in. But wait, before moving on further, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for amazing videos on AI. Okay guys, so let's start with our first enchanting book named as Superintelligence Paths, Dangers, Strategies by the brilliant Nick Bostrom. In this mind-boggling read, Bostrom takes up on a thrilling exploration of the limitless potential and potential risks of superintelligent machines. It's a thought-provoking journey that will leave you both excited and contemplative about the future of AI. You will surely enjoy reading this book if you are really interested in superintelligence. Moving on to our second book, The Singularity is Near When Humans Translate Biology, by the visionary Ray Kurzweil. Kurzweil's captivating book paints a vivid picture of a future where human and machine boundaries blur. Now let's unravel the mysteries of our third captivating book, named as Machine Learning, a Probabilistic Perspective by the Master of Algorithms, Kevin Patrick Murphy. This treasure trove of knowledge guides you through the fascinating realm of machine learning, equipping you with the tools to understand and apply powerful AI algorithms. Get ready to embrace your inner AI wizard as Murphy's friendly explanations light your path. Now hold on tight as we explore the ethical dimension of AI with our fifth read, Human Compatible Artificial Intelligence and a Problem of Control, by the brilliant Stuart Russell. In this eye-opening book, Russell delves into the challenges of ensuring AI aligns with human values. It's a thought-provoking journey that will empower you to shape a future where AI and humanity coexist harmoniously. Moving on to our sixth cosmic adventure, we have Life 3.0, Being Human in the Age of Artificial Intelligence by the visionary thinker Meg Stigma. This book is like a voyage through the stars, exploring the profound questions surrounding AI's impact on human existence. Tegmark's captivating insight will ignite your imagination and invite you to shape a future where humans and AI thrive together. Last but certainly not least, we shine a light on the hidden dangers of AI with our seventh read, Weapons of Mass Destruction: How Big Data Increases Inequality and Threatens Democracy, by the brilliant Cathy O'Neil. O'Neil's powerful book is a wake-up call to the consequences of biased algorithms and unfair data practices. It's an empowering read that will equip you with the knowledge to harness AI's positive potential while advocating for fairness and justice. And there you have it, my friends. 7 amazing books that will unlock the door to AI's infinite possibilities. Remember, we are on an incredible journey of discovery together. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to dive into these captivating reads. And of course, make sure to subscribe to DataTech Insights and hit that notification bell because we have got plenty more exciting discoveries to share with you. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey today. Keep your curiosity burning bright, your passion for AI alive, and we will see you in our next thrilling exploration. Goodbye.